What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asian Irish. For today, we are back for another reaction video for the ASAP New Gen Divas, which is Esang, Alexa, Kai, and Ella Nimpa. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this performance. But before I proceed, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asian Irish. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Ano kayang playlist nila for today? In fairness, ganda ng staging Ganda ni Alexa. Face card din to sa Alexa, pati vocals. Wow, love that switching. In fairness, Barbie face. The face card is giving. And of course, that vocal. Grabe, iba yung in-improve ni Alexa sa kanyang sa pagkanta niya. Grabe. Alam mo yung hindi mo na-expect na she can sing and she has the vocal. And of course, Kai, di ba? Love that preppy look. Grabe, iba din talaga ang isang Kai. And I love their outfits. I love that very, Gen Z vibe talaga sila. And Alexa's control is so good. Wow, Die on the Hill. Grabe yon. I love the vocal control. Those dynamics. Siguro medyo, just an honest opinion about the, harmonization. They need to work out on that kasi it will make the performance more beautiful. Pero nonetheless, from the outfit to the vocal and that face card, guys, oh my god, this is a new gen diva. Go Esang! Isa din to sa Esang. Very underrated, which is so good. Love that switching. Of course, Ella, no doubt. That's what I like about Ella's vocal. May sarili siyang pang-synthesize ng voices. Grabe. And of course, Esang is giving that, the thin note is so good. Very underrated. Esang should give more spotlight kasi sobrang galing din ng batang yan. And of course, Ella. And this for New Gen Diva. Sana isama nila si Carmel, no? Payag ba kayo dun, guys? You can comment down below. Listen to that switching of Esang. Effortless ang isang Ella. No? Ito yung yung challenge ngayon, yung Die on This Hill. Tignan natin kung makakabog nila. And let's see if they're gonna do that great harmonization at the end. Wow! Whoa! Oh my God! Oh My God, we have to go back to that part, guys. Grabe yun. I just said in the start of the video they should work and then harmonization, but that part is legit, guys. Let's go back to that. Listen. Ay, hindi pa daw. Let's go back a bit more. Love the harmonization. Wow! Goosebumps, oh. Whoa. Who's doing counterpart? Sino naglulunod? Si Esa. Love the stage. Grabe. Face card. Wow. Hey. Oh my God. There you have it. New Gen Divas. Wow. There you have it, guys. New Gen Divas of ASAP. Oh my God. Palaban talaga. Palaban. Oo. Laban na laban sila for today. Oh my God. I did the first time reaction to them like a week or two ago because nagbakasyon tayo, guys, and we just came back. And of course, inabangan ko yung bago nilang performance sa ASAP. And oh my God, it never disappoint. I love it. Such a fresh breath air in terms of their vocals, you know, the looks, grabe, the staging. I love that merong mga malalaking screen sa likod, no? And then it's sepia yung color to give more emotion to the song. And of course, each and every vocal of these amazing new gen divas. Grabe. And that face card, guys. Grabe. I love the outfit. Hindi sila yung pare-parehas. Hindi pang girl group. They have their own style, their own vocal, and of course, that ending part. Superb. What can you say about that performance, guys? May mga iba ba silang performance before? You can comment down below so that we can check that out for you. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.